Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting clean revenue rows in Excel, date, revenue, and any segmentation like product or region. Once done, normalize dates to month ends and fill gaps with zero so growth rates don't mislead. Create a prior period column using index or offset so you can compare apples to apples, and add a cumulative column if you want running totals. This gets you from raw numbers to a structured table you can calculate against immediately, reducing downstream errors and bias. Now calculate the actual growth figures. For month over month, enter current prior/prior and copy down, format as percentage with 1 decimal. If you need multi-period trend, compute CAGR with end/start, 1/periods, -1, and make sure to trap zeros or negatives with IFRA or conditional logic to avoid divide by zero. Add rolling averages and year-over-year columns using averagefs and same period last year lookups to smooth volatility, and explain the why behind spikes and troughs. Finish by turning numbers into visuals and checks. Make a line chart of revenue and add a column or line for growth percent on a secondary axis so you see magnitude versus rate. Then validate. Use conditional formatting to flag extreme percent changes and spot check formulas with sample calculations. If results look wrong, inspect date alignment, missing prior period values, or divide by zero cases. Adjust with IF or filter. One troubleshooting tip. If growth shows #div/0, replace prior zeros with NA or use IFRA to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.